So before this video gets started, if you recently signed up to be an Uber driver, but you forgot to use a referral code. If you never used a referral code when you signed up for Uber, it's not too late. I'm gonna leave the instructions down below. There's 7 steps. You do it right in your Uber driver app. It takes like a minute, and you could qualify for a guarantee or bonus of up to $1,000. It all varies on your market, but it doesn't hurt to try. And if you signed up and you never used a referral code, then hey, why not give it a shot? I'll leave this simple 7 steps down below, and you can try to get your referral code. I know that it is not active in every single market, but it is active in most markets right now. Uber did recently bring back the referral program. So again, if you recently signed up for Uber, but you didn't use a referral code, follow the instructions down below. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Thank you so much for 40,000 subscribers. I think we're at like 42, 43,000. I don't know, I lost track. They're flying up so fast. If you are watching this video, please leave the video with a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. I'm in the process of moving apartments, and I still want to film these videos. So if you could do, if you could leave the video with a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, if you're still watching this video not subscribed, apparently there's like 79% of you watching my videos and aren't subscribed. Just click the subscribe button, and that way you'll be notified every single time we post videos. So what are we talking about today? We're talking about Uber bonuses and versus Lyft bonuses. So Uber launches bonuses. I noticed that Lyft is launching bonuses as well, but we're gonna get into the different bonuses, and I'm gonna compare Uber bonuses right now and Lyft bonuses. Keep in mind, these bonuses do vary by state and by market, excuse me. Market is, basically a city or a town within a state, and then also by time. So, if you're driving in Los Angeles, it could change in a month from now. Honestly, it could change in a week, but we're talking about right now because we got to keep these videos up to date. And yeah, which one should you do? Like, that's a huge question I still get emailed to me daily, is should I do Uber first or Lyft first, or should I do both? And I always say, well, sign up obviously using somebody's referral code. You can use, obviously, the ones in the description, but if you get a good referral promo, use that. And if not, if you're already, a driver or whatever, or you forgot to use a code or whatever, check the weekly bonuses, because, do the math. And obviously Uber is way more popular than Lyft in 99.999% markets. That's a totally made up statistic. I'm just assuming at least pretty much everywhere Uber is more popular than Lyft. But sometimes Lyft has way better bonuses. So like, yeah, just follow the bonuses, honestly. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Let's check out the bonuses that are going on currently for Lyft and for Uber. So this is what we're looking at today, guys. This is somebody who posted in my group. He lives in Las Vegas. And these are so I'm just gonna go through. So these are the bonuses that have launched. So if you complete 50 trips, you get $25 extra bonus. Now, is that worth it? Is it worth it to get 25 extra bucks doing 50 trips? Well, that's around a 50-cent bonus per trip. Is that good? I mean, it's definitely not, it's definitely better than nothing, obviously. Is that a pimple? What is that on my lip? Why does it look so weird? Okay, I don't know what that is. 50 trips for 25 bucks. But if you do if you do a 3-trip series, then you get $4.50 extra. So that's $1.50 extra per trip. So 50 cents extra per trip is not that good in my opinion. I mean, what is that? Like, yeah, I mean, an extra 50 cents, that's taking a $3 ride to a $3.50. You're not even gonna notice any difference. 50 trips, 25 bucks. I mean, that's just like, I guess that's something to do throughout the week. But these daily ones, these are the ones you really want to look at, because if you end up hitting the 50 trips for 25 bucks, it's, you can make that in tips on Lyft. But these these ones down here, if you go out at 10 to 12 and make an extra $4.50 doing 3 trips, that takes you, you know, $30 to $34.50, you know, that does make a good difference. And then if you go out at night again, 3 trips for $4. So it's a little bit less, but again, an extra $4. Now, look at Saturday night. This is, well, technically Friday night, Saturday morning. 3 trips for 17 extra bucks. That, my friends, is a good dang bonus. That's current, by the way. You know, this is September 1st. These are not old, these are recent. So September, so Saturday morning, whatever, Friday night, $3 or 3 trips for 17 bucks. That's $5.75, almost $6 extra per trip. That's really good. That takes a $10 trip, which is average, to almost 20 bucks, you know, with tip. So that's pretty good. If you, I mean, honestly, if you're planning to go out and drive Uber, you can schedule your day out. This is how, you know, go out and try to hit these trips. $4.50 right there, $8, and then an extra 17. That's already 25 extra bucks in the day. And then if you want to go out again at 3 a.m., $14.50. So like, if you want to kind of structure your day throughout, and obviously the 4 to 8 p.m., it's not gonna take you 4 hours to do 3 trips. So, you know, you can either choose to, like what I would probably do is go out at 10 a.m. to 12 and then take a big break. And then if you want to get on at like 6 p.m., 6:30 maybe, get those 3 trips right there, clock that in really quick, and then stay out. You know, you're gonna be driving 6:30 to 4 a.m. The 3 to 4 a.m. though, 3 trips within that time period, that's kind of a lot. So maybe, you know, maybe do 4 to 5 p.m. or maybe honestly skip the middle one, the 4 to 8 p.m. and then just, so do the morning and then come back at midnight, honestly. If you can hit these 2, that's pretty good. That's 31 extra bucks right there. So if you hit all 4, I mean, yeah, you're getting about 40, 50 extra bucks. That's how these Uber drivers make a ton of money. So that's Friday night, whatever, Saturday. So then the next day though, Saturday during the day, 2 to 4 p.m., $3 extra per trip. That's good, that's good. 6 to 8 p.m., $4 extra per trip. $12, I'm just dividing 12 by 3 there to get $4 per trip. 3 trips for an extra 13 bucks, not bad. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty good though. Like, if you can really master these guys, that's good. Look how good these are. 3, there's a lot of these guys. Honestly, I would probably just structure your day. Now let's take a look at Lyft. Let's take a look at Lyft. $15 streak, 3 rides in a row. So you gotta do that from 9 to 10 p.m. So you gotta make sure you can hit those 3 rides in 1 hour, which is, you know, obviously not always doable. Keep in mind, some rides do take up to an hour. Late night. So, I mean, Lyft has maybe 2 or 3. Yeah, Lyft has 3. But Uber, you know, that $18, that's $6 on Sunday evening. I mean, that's freaking amazing. $6 extra per trip. With tip, you're talking about an extra $10 per ride. That's good. If you can average that out over 10 rides, that's $100 already. You can do that in a few hours. This is how people make a lot of money, guys. Stick to the busy hours. So anyways, leave your thoughts down below. I want to hear, what do you guys think? Is Lyft better in this case, or is Uber? Thank you all for watching today's video, and have a great and amazing day. Again, make sure to please hit that video with a big thumbs up, just because I am moving right now and I am still, you know, it would make me feel a little extra special if you could just smash the thumbs up button. This video does not have a sponsor. It is sponsored by the thumbs up button. So if you could hit that, it would make me happy. And subscribe so you get that notification bell. All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great day, guys. Love you. Bye.